Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about conditions. In in condition we have three things. First, if, next, if else, and at last we have elif condition. So each condition we can discuss line by line. When a equal 20 and b equal 34. So if A is greater than B is less than B, then print, I'm sorry, print true. The output comes true. In this programming, A equal 20 and B equal 34. A is less than B. So the output comes true. Next, we will discuss if-else statement. In if-else statement, A equal 24 and B equal 28. If A is greater than B, then print A is greater. Else print B is greater. The output comes B is greater because B is greater than A. In third condition, we will discuss about elif condition. In elif condition, we can use two or more conditions in a simple in a single program. If A equal 20, B equal 30 and C equal 40. If A is greater than B, then print A is greater than B. And if B is gr- greater than C, so print B is greater than C. Else print C is greatest. So the output comes C is greatest. Thank you and support me, subscribe my channel and like my videos.